Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit who has access to your public profile info on Facebook. First thing is open up your Facebook, then the next thing, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, tap on your name, and then scroll down. You can see the three dots here, tap on it, and then you tap on follow settings, and then you scroll down to public profile info, which is this one over here. Here it helps you manage who can like or comment on your profile information that's always public, including your profile pictures, profile videos, cover photos, featured photos, and updates to your short bio. So you tap on this. Right now it's set to public, it's set to friends actually. So I want to restrict it to just friends of friends. I tap on this. I want to restrict it to if I want the public to have the information, I tap on public. I want to restrict it to my friends alone, I tap on friends. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.